Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve SEPTA app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see here I have the SEPTA app. Okay. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, we have to just click on here. You have to click on this I button. After that, you have to scroll down and go to the storage section. Then you have to clear the data, and then it should be working. So if it's not work after this also, you have to check for the update. So for checking it, you can directly go to the Google and write here for the SEPTA. Okay, SEPTA app. Okay, like here. From here you can directly update it like here. Okay, so by this you can working start. So if it's not work also, by update also you have to reinstall. So reinstalling is very easy. You have to just press and hold here, then click on the install button and go to the Google and install it again. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.